This is what most lakes look like. Calm water, birds gliding, life everywhere. But not here. You walk along a lake in Africa. Everything is still, silent. You see birds, but they don't move. They're perfectly preserved, as if turned to stone. But this isn't magic. It's not a curse. It's chemistry. This is Lake Natron. Its water is so salty, so alkaline. It burns. It desiccates anything it touches, leaving bodies frozen in time. A human couldn't survive here. This water would burn your skin, your eyes, your lungs. But one animal thrives in this deadly lake, the lesser flamingo. It walks on burning water, and still it lives. Nature doesn't need fiction to scare us. It already has Lake Natron.